Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Walmart. So let's dive in. All right, guys, if you're like me and trying to grab a few last-minute deals, I want to show you a couple good ones we got right here. We can see some good ones right here at Walmart. Have some hyper tough options. You like those two little stocking stuffers. We also have some pliers. Those are some really good deals for those. I think there's some great things, again, for yourself or for stocking stuffers, either one. Even some blades right here with hyper tough, $15 for multiple different blade options. And as you could even see, just some of these are just kind of everywhere because there were a ton of people. I do like this little kitchen drawer toolkit, $15. That's another great thing, either to keep for yourself or even to give as a gift. Another little knife set right here. Another $5 for this one. Again, some great options and a little magnetic wristband. I've never really used one of those, but it's kind of a cool, maybe novelty item when you're working on some stuff that you might need that for. We do have $68 here for some Hart items. So if you need some of these, we got some good deals for those. Also have some batteries here for Hart. I don't believe that $68 was for that set, but I think it was actually for a drill. More Hart batteries right here, $45 for these. Get to save $40 on that one. Also have some hole saw kits, $12. More Hart items here. Impact driver bit set. Save a few bucks on that one. Also have another drill here for $49. Pretty good price right there. Hard to beat a drill for $49. Half-inch option here for $60. Again, another great option. And Hart's a solid brand. They're getting better and better, and I think really good deal. Impact option right there as well. Then we get into a couple more other Hart options. Another $148 for that one. I just want to show y'all some of these hyper tough deals. I mean, these aren't great deals going on right now, but they're kind of changing up how they look and a lot of their stuff here for hyper tough. Is a good deal right here. $10 for this 4-volt cordless screwdriver. Also have the Hart gas surface cleaner. $50 for that one. So again, if you're going to need to clean some stuff up. Then we even have the water broom here for $25. Again, another Hart brand Hart option. Also right next to that is the hyper tough option. So not quite as good, but still good price on that one. We have Hart stack options here for their mobile toolbox, $74. I think that's still a great deal, down from $89. So again, I think Hart's going to do a great job for you there. Even have some of these plastic shelves. So if you want some plastic shelves, they had a couple different options here, but they have the Hart one, and they also have the hyper tough, $39 for that one. So again, more great deals for these. So if you need some of these for your shed, your garage, or maybe even just in your house. Another option here, $59 for the metal one for hyper tough. Then we get into some mechanic tool sets down to $98. Again, that's a great deal right there. Bunch of different options and bunch of different sets. Also have the 5-shelf muscle rack here. I like this one because you can switch it up. I don't know if I've seen one where you can do that. Then they had the hyper tough project set, 50-piece for $35. Probably a great deal for a gift or something. $89 here for the Arctic cooler. These are always fun, real nice, the soft sides. $278 here. Hart air compressor, 20-gallon vertical air compressor. Solid deal for that one here for the Christmas deals. Also saw a couple good deals for some of their like security lights. I've seen a lot of these and have done some reviews on these for Amazon items, but we can see a bunch of Hart lights available, different ones for outside options for those. Also have this Muddy the Quick stick. So if you like hunting, you can check these out. Got some deals on this one. $53. Get to save a few dollars there. Also have the Rhino blinds, $88. I think that's really cool. Again, Easy for your kiddos to be able to hunt in these, and more quick sticks as well. Some fun stuff there. Some flashlights on sale, 20 bucks for that one. Also have a little pocket air in case you need that for your car. And then these are really popular, the little shop vacs, the vacuum and the blower. And we also see the horsepower. We've seen that at a couple of different locations. And then we also have this little duck vacuum, kind of fun option for that one. And then they have these little handy heaters. Not great deals, but I bet they will be on sale soon. We have some snips on sale here for Hart. Arctic Jets are definitely on sale right now. With it being so cold, you can snag you a couple of these for when it does warm up a little bit. You can see if yours are available. Had the Shark Carpet Expert, again on clearance. So it had a bunch of different vacuums on clearance. So if you need any of these for your house, maybe even for a Christmas gift. Also had some traction chains, 51 bucks. Again, we don't really need those where I'm from, but might be good. Or if you need to protect your seats in your vehicle, pretty good option there. 26 bucks for pet protector. They did have this Skill miter saw. I know I like the Skill brand. I don't know if I've seen many of these at Walmart, but pretty good price on that one, $139. Then we also have the magnetic towing light kit, $26. Then they had a few Christmas trees and garland and stuff like that on sale. We can see right here, 15 bucks for some green LEDs, or you can see these are on sale. So again, had a bunch of Christmas stuff on sale. So just trying to show y'all some of those. The Winston LED tree was sold out, but down to $20. The green Concord tree here, 74 bucks. Pretty good price on that one. And then we see right here another one that was sold out for $96. They did have the Greenworks blower on sale for $164. So if again you still need one, you can go and check them out. I like them because they're battery powered. Also had the Hart brand here for $138. Again, another great option for a blower. So you can check those. They did have a bunch of these just kind of stacked here, not on sale, but I am going to keep an eye out for you. Hyper Tough, a little bit lower brand there, 97 bucks. Still, I think it's a solid deal, going to do a good job. And a little bit lower power option here for 76. But still, if you don't have a ton of space, I think it's a great one to check out. We use our blower all the time, especially with the leaves everywhere. They had this mosquito repellent option here. I've never used that one, but down to 20 bucks. Also had the Hello Bello for 5 bucks and more mosquito repellent. I know it's getting cold, so mosquitoes probably aren't a big problem. Then they had a bunch of these rain jackets for $22. Down a few bucks for that. You can see some of these. I'll show you a couple of different options here in a minute. A couple of different water bottles. I know our family loves some good water bottles. Maybe you want to snag one for Christmas. You can definitely do that. I will also have a lot of these items that we talk about here in the description below. So if you're interested, you can go and check those out. Or you can even run to the store and try to snag some before Christmas as well. And then, like I mentioned, just a bunch of different water bottles here, whatever ones you might like, or ones you need for camping, backpack, or even just to take to work with you as well. Like I said, my whole family loves water bottles, and we carry them everywhere we go. And here's some more of these jackets, 20 bucks for some of these like frog tog looking jackets. They also have this waist pack. So if you're going to be, again, just hiking or camping, this is a good one right here. Outdoor option, $19.50. Then they had a couple other options right here for just some fishing stuff, 62 bucks for that. Predator XT, $16 for this cushion. So if you're going to be hunting, I always love to have a nice cushion so you can sit there a little bit longer, make it a little bit more comfortable. It's always a nice thing to do. Another option right here for a ground stake, 12 bucks to make sure everything is safe and secure. And then some more hunting options. You can hold your bow or your backpack or any kind of thing like that on your tree, 3 bucks. Another muddy step for $2. Those have been sold out. We saw some of those at Tractor Supply. And we also have another option here, $84 for the gun or running gun option. Then a deer drag. Again, those are lifesavers. Hoist rope, $5.50 for muddy. And then you can see a lot of these other deals and options and things and knives and stuff have been picked over. But you can always check and see what might be available at your store. Tree stand lock. Make sure no one's going to get your tree stand. Also had some coolers on sale, $79 here for this igloo cooler. I know we love a good cooler. Also had some safes on sale, $300 for this 12-gun safe. It's a facial recognition option. I don't know if I've ever seen one of those on a safe. Also another one for Mossy Oak right here, 18-gun security cabinet. All right, I wanted to show you just a couple options online. We already saw this mechanic toolkit here for $98. Little humidifier option here. I think this little portable heater, Mr. Heater, we got one of these, works great. $68, good price for that one. Another good price here for some outdoor lighting options. Another skill deal right here. Portable job site table saw, pretty good deal right there. $270. We already saw these deals, but again, some good ones, and I'll have links below if you want to try to snag these quickly. Another little heater right there. I've never tried that one. Another little Power Smart generator. Again, it's only a $2,500 option, but still $350. Really good price for that one. Another wet dry vac here for $88. Another Hyper Tough table saw, $101. Pretty good deal for that one. And then another here for the 12.5. So this one is strong enough to do a lot at your house. So right here, right under $1,000. Pretty good deal and option for that one. I actually have this right here. We like it a lot. We are able to plug up a lot of the kids' stuff because we have 3 kids. So we can plug up their motorcycles and stuff like that because it has 3 plugs. Works really well. Another orbital sander, $20. Good deal for that one if you need one. Another drill driver here, $50. Great deal on that one. And then also a couple more tools and a heater. More heaters. We might have to grab one of those. We need another new heater at our house. I like this Jackery option. It is the 290, so you got to remember that. Not super strong right there, but you can, I guess, you can jump your car off, and then it also has all the other options for that one. And then we talked about this, I think, a couple videos ago, kind of like a little DIY home toolkit. Probably good for, $65. Got all the options you'll need right there. And then more batteries. We saw those, $64. Then a couple more good deals right here. We see, again, heaters, kind of stuff like that. So whatever you might need, check these deals out. Then I want to show you a couple more good deals right here. We have this little precision toolkit. I really like that. $10, solid deal. We do have a Delta Shopmaster miter saw, $129. That's a good price. I do think you can get a Metabo option cheaper than this if you're interested and still want that. It's at Lowe's. Has a pretty good option for you. I really like this little universal socket tool gift. I have had one of these and it worked great. I really liked it. It's a great gift, a great little stocking stuffer as well there. And we see some batteries here for Milwaukee, the M12. So if you have the Milwaukee, you can get some pretty good deal on batteries right there. Another good tool set right here from Hart, $150. A couple other options. I really like this little gift right here, the Snowflake multi-tool. I think that's, again, just a fun gift. And this mini electric screwdriver is actually not on sale, but this Fantic is a good brand. I have multiple options similar to this, but not the Fantic brand, and that's a good one. I also like this right here, 32-piece wrench set for $22. That is a great price. Get you all those wrenches there. We can see a couple more deals. I do like this little rotary tool, Hyper Tough, $20. That's a great thing. I mean, you only save $3, but it's still a great thing just to kind of have with you. Even this power cutter, like cutoff tool option, get saved, $10. Pretty good deal for that one. And then a couple more just kind of random stuff, Hart and other kind of like off brands. You can kind of see all these off brand options. And we have some more Milwaukee and stuff like that as well. Then I want to show y'all just a few more of these deals. I like these options right here. If you need some generators, I have a bunch of these on sale. Again, I've never used this brand, but it looks pretty cool. I do like these kind of outlet plug-ins right here. We have a few of these around our house, and it works out really well. But you can see these, get to save a few bucks on some of those. They also have a couple more generators, so if you want to check out some of these generators, you can definitely do that. You can see right here down $170 and $250. Again, some good options for that one. I do like these little portable like power stations or portable battery stations. These are pretty cool. I actually have one. I'll do a review on it. A friend gave me one. I really like that. Again, all powers as well here. Pretty good deal with the solar panel. A couple more options with these. Again, I really like those. I think they're great to keep around, and a generator as well, because we had a bad storm come through a couple months ago and definitely needed a generator, and it was tough to try to find one. Another Power Smart option right here. Get to save a few bucks on that one. Again, I've never used a lot of these brands, but got some good deals in these. And then we see a few more options right here. This one is something similar. I have 300-watt option there, but a bunch of good deals on these kind of like little power station options, and more on the larger ones as well here. 40 for 50, $400. That's hard to beat that one. Power Smart option there. Westinghouse here. Again, we saw that a minute ago. And then a couple other options. So again, large generators and some good deals on these. Then I also wanted to include just a couple good deals going on at Sam's Club. They had this kind of rolling tool cart there. I thought it was a good deal. Also have this little jumper box here for $70 for Stanley. The little Work X, a little small screwdriver kind of set, $20. So that was a good deal. Also had the rolling utility seat here for, I think it was like $63 or something. Then they had the 10x10 commercial shelter. Again, $25. They had this little hunt pack. Thought it was a great deal as well for $20. And then also this Ninja wood fire grill here for $300. But overall, I think there's some great deals going on right now at your local Walmart and also online. So I think you can still snag you a couple good Christmas gifts. But if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas, and we will see you in the next video.